nasa loob na ako ng train ngayon, as you can see. And yung train na to is going to Bayton, which is the last station. And then from there, magte-take ako ng Uber para mabilis. Kasi gabi na. And then if I take bus, gagabihan tayo. Okay, my Uber is here. Sakay na tayo. Going to Tansei. Hey, good evening. I'm going to Tansei. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, we are on our way papuntang Tansei. Yeah, driver corrected me that it's Tansu, and not really Tansei. Yeah, that's the EEC. I think that's the signal or sign na malapit na tayo. Yep, that's the 7-Eleven. So after the 7-Eleven, or before the 7-Eleven, you just turn left kung nagmumotor kayo. Turn left until you reach this barbecuehan, but it's closed. The barbecuehan na pinuntahan namin last time is sarado. This is actually the reason why bumalik ako dito sa Tansei kasi masarap yung barbecue nila. Saan pa yung ibang kainan na Pinoy dito po?
Kaya lang kung sarado na po yata.
Yung lumihan dyan, no?
Pero pag likod niyo po rito, meron pa rito.
Okay. Yan ba yung tagpuan ng Pinoy?
Ako, mga Pinoy po mga.
Okay. Salamat, kuya. Thank you. Guys, it's not really a good idea to come here on weekdays kasi magang sumasara yung yung mga store. All like that. They are already closing. But on weekends, I guess they stay late, especially yung mga may KTV. Sarado na rin yung Daisies. Dito daw sa kaliwa, merong after ng 7-Eleven, meron ding Pinoy na kainan din. So that is the Susan's. They're open 24 hours. That's only beside 7-Eleven. And this 7-Eleven is just only across the Clock Tower, which is sa tabi naman ng Taiwan Bank. And this is the road, I guess, that connects to the Taichung City proper. And yeah, across there is the tagpuan ng mga Pinoy. Something. So they're open bukas. Oh, that's a train. So this is what they have here. Meron silang hot silogs, rice, shake, noodles. I think this is cooked order. Ito daw yung mga orderable. Pwedeng orderan dito. And they have inasal and sizzling sisig. So I think I'm gonna try the pork barbecue and inasal. At last, nakahanap tayo ng lugar for dinner. And as mentioned, I will order pork barbecue with rice and inasal. But they don't have pork barbecue, so I will just order Miki Gisado. Nice, oh! Parang mi goreng, nasi goreng ng Indonesia. Ano to? Siningag? Fried rice, eh? Yeah. No, chow fan. Chow fan, right? Yeah. Nice. They have alope, oh. That's the Chinese sausage, right? I guess. So while waiting for my order, I'm gonna try to ask yung katabi kong table. Kuya, he ordered lumi yun? Lumi? Yeah, he ordered lumi. Okay, the best. Lagi daw siya dito. Okay, my Miki Gisado and chicken and asal have arrived. Excited ako to try it. First of all, ito yung available sa kanila, yung toyo, supa, and then I just put chili oil. I'm so excited to try it. You squeeze over calamansi. Then mikos. sarap. Super saucy and thick yung sauce. Sarap. Flavorful. So it has, I think this is Chinese sausage. That was a tayo ng manok. Strong yung flavor niya. Of course, it's very typical sa mga Pinoy na dishes. Yung cabbage is crispy pa siya. Of course, hindi siya overcooked. This shop, they mastered yung pagluluto ng something with Mickey. See? And ito naman yung kakainin natin, yung chicken inasal. I think this is marinated na same sa how they marinate the pork barbecue dito sa Tansei. When I'm lying in my bed, how I billow and cry. Strolling around this area, I feel na, or I can feel na wala ako sa abroad or wala ako sa Taiwan because halos na nasasalubong mo is mga Pinoy. Lalakad papuntang palengke, papuntang barbecuean. Mostly kabayan. And yeah, over there is the Lamukan, which serves as the meeting place ng mga kabayan natin after church. No, meeting place to catch up with friends, to share their stories, their plans, their goals about life. And I believe this clock tower is the witness ng mga kasiyahan ng mga kabayan natin. Okay, I think I will end my food exploration here in Tansei tonight by giving sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay ng saludo sa ating mga kabayang Filipinos na nasa or into food business dito sa Tansei. Now, Sir Ma'am, what you're doing actually helps or your passion actually helps to lessen the loneliness, the sadness, or pagka-miss ng mga kabayan natin sa pamilya nila sa Pilipinas. I think that's all for now, and I hope everyone will have a very good weekend, and see you soon on my next video. Bye. Thank you.